Hey y'all, looking a little rough, but you know what? I'm just look rough right now. So it is a Friday, and I've been on the phone. It's Friday night. It is 9:00 p.m. to be exact, and I'm just finishing up dinner. I just made some fully loaded baked potatoes with shrimp, broccoli, cheese, and an Alfredo sauce. I didn't make the Alfredo sauce. I do know how to make Alfredo sauce, and I know it's really good, but I didn't. And then on one of them, I'm gonna put my garlic aioli sauce on it, just to taste it, to see, because I really enjoy garlic aioli on French fries. So I wanted to see what that was talking about. So I left one just regular. So they're in the oven. I got a couple minutes on it. Let me see. 1 minute. So I'm gonna make this quick. So, been on the phone since about 12 o'clock with a trucking company, because yesterday they told me at one company they filled a spot, which I kind of knew. And I really try to keep a positive attitude. But when she said one, and then I had to change something on my license 2 days before that and give her enough time to make sure that it changed in the system with the Motor Vehicle Bureau or whatever, I was like, I don't know. So, but I was feeling hopeful, you know, so boom, that happened. And then, sorry, I'm still checking my timer. It's supposed to beep, but I feel like I'm not hearing the beeps. So anyways, sit down. So anyways, I called a previous company that said they were going to reach back out to me because they had something that was pretty up my alley, like kind of up my alley, but they had never reached back out. But then I told you the other company sounds like a way sweeter deal. I ended up calling the other company back because, and I also knew like I had changed everything, so it shouldn't be any delays with my application or my license restrictions or anything. Ow. So boom, did that, called them, and everything is going. I mean, all I have to do is take my drug test. It is, I'm hoping it's just urine, but on the form or the documents I had to sign, it said hair, urine, and a nail. Or a nail. And or a nail. Y'all, what the hell is a nail drug test? There's the beep. Okay. What the hell is a nail drug test? I never heard of that. But I'll be right back. Hold on. Let me get these out the oven. Alright. So, trying to remember where I left off. But anyways, that's the drug test. I never heard of the nail. So then, I'm hoping they send me somewhere where I can just go take my test and be employed. I'm excited, don't get me wrong. But after time by myself and time at home and staying busy, good busy and bad busy. And I say good busy because, I mean, it feels so good to be at home and be with my dogs and excuse me, take care of my home. But then it's been bad busy too, because I've been so busy doing that sometimes I don't get into my word like I should. But I've been putting forth some energy, healthy energy, good energy, whatever, to get into my word at night. I know some people can do it in the morning, but since I have dogs and if they hear you're up, they get up. Like Roxy, she was used to sleep. I feel like Coco, she would sleep. My other dog, no, he's gonna bark and be like, oh wait, y'all up. And then if he hears Coco get up, then boom, it's a wrap. So it's kind of like I just do it at bedtime when everybody's kind of like real chill. And Coco's in that chill stage now at nighttime, where King still like has to get out the bed 5 times and get up and get out and then try to play with Coco like before he like gets tired. I don't know. So anyways, so I've been in my word. or I'm trying to get into that routine, but I've been in my word at nighttime, and God is revealing some things through my dreams. Not bad things, but just, I be telling him, please make it plain, but he's very cryptic sometimes with me, and then I need help deciphering it. And then I be like, well, God, where in the Bible do you want me to read about this dream that you have conjured up? But I be asking him, is it sent by him or like the enemy? So anyways, I just have been doing that, and I am nervous. I'm nervous to do it. Not nervous to drive, but I'm nervous to go to these different states. I'm nervous that, you know, maybe what if I'm not good enough? And these, I feel like, are normal. I'm not comparing. I'm not saying I'm not. It's just normal, like just little hesitations. So don't say like, oh, you don't believe in God if you have that anxiousness, because it's not fear. I'm not fearful. And I just read that God doesn't give us a spirit of fear. So I hold that deeply to me. Like, if I feel like the word fear is about to come out, I rebuke it. I have to be. I'm just really excited to get to a new place, and then get to a new bag, and then see how God is using me in that field. But I am also just nervous, you know? Like, I was like that with hair too. Like, can we talk for a second? I was nervous when I started hair. When I got into the field of cosmetology, and my mom was a hairdresser all my life, but I was nervous. I was really nervous about clients. I was nervous about messing up someone's hair, frying it off, cutting it wrong. I was not good at cuts in the beginning. I think I'm a lot better now. I'm not gonna say like, oh, I'm the cut guy. Like, no. I was nervous to even find my own lane in hair. And the thing is, I still don't feel 100% confident when it comes to my lane. I just try my best. That's all I do. I try my best, and I stick to what I know, and I'm honest with my clients, or I talk to them about what they're looking for, and that's just me. I love healthy hair. Like, don't judge my hair. But if you're judging, whatever, I've been at home, y'all, or doing my clients, so I ain't really. And it's winter. My car said 4 degrees today, and it's a negative wind chill, so I could care less. I'm just trying to stay warm. So anyways, with hair, I even, was anxious, nervous. Will I have the clients? Well, you know what? And God has been by my side, and I'm so serious. God has been by my side the whole trip. So I say that to say that my anxiousness is just right now. It's not where I'm gonna be. And let me say this too. This how I know. This is just how I know, and I'm so grateful that God teaches me has taught me about myself and my body over the years. Now, definitely, it's always room for improvement, but He has allowed me to recognize and know who I am. And I'm gonna hurry up and say this. I can suffer from seasonal depression, and it's wintertime right now. It's not fun. It's like bleh, it's gray. So I suffer from that. So sometimes I can get really low. Not so low because I recognize it more now, and I'm thankful for that. But I can get real low. So seasonal depression is a thing, and I think that's playing on me too. And so I'm just trying to be, better, stay in my word, be encouraged, and have the right energy around me. And if I can't have the right energy around me, God has already told me, you can trust me with your energy. You can trust me for my energy to help you with your energy. And I appreciate that so much, Father God. So tomorrow, Saturday, I have a client. And I guess I'll pick you guys up later. This is still my journey on a job, and I'm excited. And I will let you know how everything goes. And yeah, we'll talk more. Y'all, it's freaking cold outside in Cleveland, Ohio. We have a big snowstorm coming. I am over at my dad's house. I'm about to go, but I just had to pick up something. But I wanted to tell y'all, this might be a new favorite. The pistachio latte. I got 5 pistachio sauce. I asked for extra sugar. I don't know. That man seemed like he was okay with just doing what he wanted to do. But God bless him. So anyways, boom. I got that. And I had a sandwich, but I ate that already. But that's real good. There was something I had to tell you. I don't know. I just stopped over here before I go back to the grocery store. I think I just want to get some bread and some cheese so I can make some grilled cheese sandwiches. Not tonight, but I can make some grilled cheese sandwiches because it's supposed to be a storm and I just don't want to be caught in the house with like nothing to eat. Like I want some chips. Yeah, some chips. And cookies. Okay. Definitely grilled cheese. Some bread. I need to make my list. We should just make a list. Oh. I forgot to tell you guys too. So, remember when we talked about writing down goals? Why did that same night I dedicated to writing goals? But see, that's the thing about goals, is the more you go through everyday life. I added 2 more things yesterday to it that I wasn't even, I don't know why I wasn't thinking about it, but it was just, I was talking to God's people, one of the recruiters, and he was telling me that was his dream, that's his goal. And I consciously looked at myself like, girl, that's your goal. That should be a every year goal if it is not achieved that year. Duh, that need to be on there all the time. So I put that on there. I ain't gonna tell y'all my goals. I mean, some of them, yes. Like I want a passport again. I had one, young and dumb. I let it go, and then I don't even know where it is. That's how crazy it is. I've moved like 2 times since I've seen my actual passport. And I think I got that before I was 21 because I got it for my 21st birthday so that I can go to Aruba. Anyways, but I have some goals and then some are more intimate. So the one that like he shared with me, and then I feel like it's definitely something that I would love to achieve, should have been on there. Like, am I thinking small? Don't think small, y'all. But yeah, I wrote my goals down, and I think it's something I should look at every day, or at least every week. Maybe on like an off day when I come home from trucking, just look at my goals so I can see like what I could do. I am sitting in front of the heater. Don't come for me. This is like, I'm a chilly person, so sometimes just sitting in this, a hat, whatever, a hoodie, and all day, I'll walk around the house with my, sometimes I do hair with my hat on. And not just because my hair might be messed up, like literally because it's warm. So, but I'm not really doing much today. I could possibly take out to the grocery store with me. Vlogging is on there, so I do want to vlog more. Like take it seriously and vlog. So like I'm not taking y'all everywhere with me. We're just mostly having like chit chats, and that's cool. But to like consecutively remember to do this every day, I want to take it serious. And when I'm on the road, it may get even more redundant because I'm driving. I'm driving. So same thing, you just get to see the seasons change. But so chit chats don't seem that bad. because we're probably gonna have a lot of them. Just being honest. I swear, this was so good. So good. And yeah, so chit chats, we'll probably do a lot of those things. Okay, so this is what I'm saying now, but I would really love it if I could show you guys what I do on my off days, if I do anything substantial, but it could change because I could just be like, I just want to be home. But we'll do Bible study tonight. I did Bible study yesterday, and I wrote in my journal. So this is what I do. I write in my journal like about the day and my feelings that happened in that day or whatever. And then on the next page, then I actually do like, or I write down the scriptures, read the prompt, write another journal entry for the devotional. And yesterday I just incorporated writing the scripture and how it pertained to that day or in my life or that fit, you know, just like writing under it, because I want to read the scriptures, and when I write stuff I learn a lot better. But I want to read the scriptures and then I want to apply it. So that is how I do my journal entry and my devotional Bible study at night. I'm doing them at night and I like it. It gives me, it's like peaceful, like the dogs are quiet and cool. I could have TV on or not. Yesterday I did have the TV on, but it's just way more calmer. My boyfriend ain't bothering me. Dinner's done. Like everybody ate, everybody went outside. Like it's less craziness. Where in the morning, it's like, I don't know. It's slow. Mornings are slow and beautiful, but my mornings can start off slow and then get fast, like real quick fast, with dogs and whining and I got nighttime right before bed where I know everybody is like snoring is perfect to do that. So I just hope God approves, which he's been making it work, so I don't see why, but I just hope that he accepts how I have to do it right now until I get a new routine. Or it might be the way he might be getting me going in this routine, because this routine will work best for on the road too. So all right, well, I don't want to chit chat. Let's go to the grocery store and just get some things to like kind of be in the house, you know. Okay. Hey y'all, sorry I didn't take us to the grocery store. It is many hours later. I didn't even feel like going to the grocery store, so I ended up going to like Dollar General. And my head looks a mess. I'm gonna do it tonight though. I think I'm gonna do it tonight or tomorrow, because after I do it I want to clean the bathroom, so it's kind of like, I don't know. So I just want to show you guys what I got from Dollar General. I didn't feel like going to the grocery store, I really didn't. And I caught them at a really good time because they were about to close early at like 4 o'clock. So just for some like little snacks during our winter storm that they're predicting, we'll see. We got oatmeal cream pies. I got the queso flavored Fritos twists. Never had them. I just wanted to get us like just some little snacks and stuff. Got these because we have this queso dip, so I figured we need something that we could use that dip with. And sugar cookies. Love sugar cookies. Tomato soup. We got cheese pizza, so I can just put in the oven real quick. Anybody get hungry? I got my boo some turkey meat, so in case I just have to make him a little sandwich. King, get down. No. Thank you. Yeah. And cheese. Thinking grilled cheese. See what I'm going with here? Boom. I got the dog some bacon strips. They're not paying attention. I got them some bacon strips. I gotta put in their treat jar. Oh, somebody is kind of paying attention. Hey, Coco, chill. And then white cranberry juice, just in case we need another juice. I got us a 24 pack of bottled water. Another thing of tomato soup. Bread. Hey! Bread and paper towels. I'm sorry, y'all. They is acting like they don't live with each other right now, and they are acting a fool. It's crazy. And then, like I said, paper towels. I kind of splurged. These are in the dollar section. You guys ever try these at Dollar General? You just put them in the shower with you. I thought that would be nice just to kind of unwind. And then I got me some candy. Just some little cherry sours. I'm gonna tuck these away. Should be alright with the cookies and the cream pie and the chips. These are like my favorite candies, so got those. But anyways, that was my little shopping haul. I'm gonna make baked potatoes. I feel like this wouldn't be my vlog if I didn't put something food related in it, cooking or food that I bought, but I am trying to do more cooking these days. It saves money and it it saves money and it just tastes better. Not just like weird. Say hi. He wants to say hi. Get off my counter. Bye, little boy. So yeah, that is it. We'll see you on the cooking side.